Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making some Salisbury steak, and I want to show you how I do it. So I have 1 pound of ground beef. It's pretty lean ground beef. It's 93% lean ground beef. And I'm just going to toss that into my bowl right here. And I'm going to add 2 eggs. One cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. I have a half of a chopped onion. And I'm going to add some onion mushroom soup mix. And about a half cup of water. Now I'm going to mix it up. Yeah, you got to use your hands. You got to get in there and get your hands dirty. That's the only way to do it. That's the only way to do it. You got to get in there and get your hands dirty. Mix it up really well. Kind of like, you mix it kind of like you're kneading bread. You kind of fold into it, bring it up from the bottom and fold back into it. Bring it up from the bottom and fold back into it till all those ingredients are mixed well together. I have not added any salt and I have not added any pepper. Just those ingredients that I've shown you. If you want to add salt, you want to add pepper, you want to add other seasonings, I'd say great, go for it. Gets a little messy. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands up and then we're going to form them into patties. Okay, I've washed my hands. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to form these into patties. And I'm going to cook them in a frying pan. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to brown them on both sides. A little messy. I'm not going to make really large patties because I've got a small dish to fit them into. But they don't have to be perfectly round. They don't have to be, you know, perfectly flat. Just take a little bit and just form a nice, good sized patty in your hand. And yeah, it's a little messy. But it's going to turn out so delicious. I actually got a little bit more in here than I thought I'd get. So that's always a plus. I got room for one. Yeah, I got room for about one more, and then I can just top off the other ones, I guess, that's in there. There. I just add a little bit extra to, well, I think we'll just make a small one. Nice small one. Be a nice snack. We'll just toss that in there. Move that over. There we go. Let me wash my hands, and I'm going to get to frying these up. Okay, I'm going to there we go. Sometimes the gas stove is just a little temperamental. Probably time for a new one. Anyway, I'm going to fry these up on both sides, and then I'm going to put them into, I'm going to set them aside for a minute. I'm going to make my gravy, and add the other half of my onion to my gravy, and then I'm going to put them into a casserole dish, and I'm going to bake them in the oven. I think for about 375, about 30 minutes. So now I have my gravy going, and what I did was I opened up a jar of gravy. I'm just too lazy today to make my own gravy. So I opened up a jar of gravy, I added in my onions, my other half of my onion chopped, and I'm going to bring this to a simmer to where it's thick, and I'm going to add the other packet of the onion mushroom soup mix, and then I'm going to pour it over my patties, which are right here. And then we're going to cook it in the oven, and we're going to have a delicious, delicious Salisbury steak. Okay, it's simmering away. It's actually, I should have just turned it down. So I added my other packet of onion mushroom soup mix. I added about a half a cup of water. I might add just a little bit more water. There we go. And it smells delicious. It just smells so amazing. Mix all that in there really nicely. Okay, now I'm going to pour it over my my patties. Just let it drizzle right over my patties. All out of there. Oh my gosh. It smells delicious. Mmm. It tastes so good right now. And it's not even done. Okay. In the oven it's going to go. Well, it just came out of the oven. Whew. Doesn't that look good? I can't wait to try this. It smells amazing. It smells so good. I'm going to let it cool down for a little bit, about 15 minutes or so. And just let it rest. And just let it rest. And then we'll give it a taste. And I'll let you know how wonderful it really is. Alrighty, the moment of truth. It smells amazing. Let's taste it. Doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look just totally delicious? And I love asparagus too. Mmm. That was so good. That was so good. It's juicy. It's flavorful. It's cooked just right. You've got to try this recipe. You've got to try this recipe. This is amazing. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mmm. Really good. Really, really good. Mmm. Mm-mm. Okay, guys. There you go. Salisbury steak. I'm still eating. With fresh asparagus. That's what's for dinner tonight. This is so good. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. All right. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. This is really good. That's all that's left of it. Well, there's more in here. Leftovers. Yay. There you go. Salisbury steak. Yummy, yummy, yummy goodness. Okay, folks. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.